Pickup time, guys. Here's my package, guys. So guys, here we go. This is a package. Unboxing number 20 today. So, let's see. Can I open it with one hand? Let's have a look. There we go. Ah, can I do it? Yes. Of course I can. We have here another WWE action figure made by Mattel, The Rock. This figure is from 2011. Yeah, nice figure, very detailed here with his tattoo. Here's a bull tattoo on the arm. Black trousers. Yeah, black knee pads and his black boots. Nice one. So this is my newest action figure, guys. The Rock. If you smell what The Rock is cooking. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, enjoy.